Ever wondered how your toys, phones, or even the chair you're sitting on were made? Well, guess what? It's all thanks to something called manufacturing processes. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of manufacturing and learn how ordinary things become real products. What are manufacturing processes? Definition: manufacturing processes are the steps used to make products from raw materials. These processes change the shape, size, or material of things so they can be used. In simple words, it's like transforming clay into a sculpture, but with metal, plastic, wood, or other materials. Why are manufacturing processes important? Imagine you want to build a bicycle. First, you need metal parts like the frame, wheels, and handlebars. Then, you use manufacturing processes like cutting, shaping, and assembling to make the bike. Without these processes, you couldn't get the products we use every day, from pencils to airplanes. Think of the iPhone. It's made by using special manufacturing techniques that shape and assemble tiny parts to make it work. Types of manufacturing processes. Let's look at a few common types of manufacturing. Casting: pouring liquid material, like melted metal, into a mold to harden and take shape. Example, making a bronze statue. The metal is poured into a mold, and once it cools, it becomes the shape you want. Molding: shaping materials like plastic into a specific form using a mold. Example, think about a plastic bottle. It's made by heating plastic and shaping it into a bottle mold. Machining: cutting or shaping materials using machines like lathes and drills. Example, making screwdrivers or nails. The machine cuts the metal into the right shape. Welding: joining two pieces of metal together by melting and fusing them. Example, making cars. Welding joins parts of the car together to form one solid piece. Additive manufacturing: 3D printing, adding material layer by layer to build an object. Example, 3D printers creating toys or jewelry. The printer adds layer upon layer of plastic until it's complete. Why should you care about manufacturing? Manufacturing processes are everywhere and important for making things that we need and love. They allow us to create safe and useful products, make things faster and cheaper, build things in ways that wouldn't be possible by hand. In fact, Henry Ford, the famous inventor, said, "A good manufacturer is not a person who simply makes things. They make things happen." Without these processes, the cool gadgets, awesome toys, and fast cars we enjoy wouldn't exist. Why should students watch this playlist? In this manufacturing processes playlist, you will learn about different types of machines and tools used in manufacturing, how materials are turned into finished products, real-world examples of how products are made, from toys to skyscrapers. Whether you're a student thinking about engineering or a curious mind eager to learn more, this playlist will give you a deeper understanding of how things are built. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because we're just getting started with exciting topics about manufacturing.